Hi, my name's Timothy. Several years ago I travelled to Pattaya, Thailand and participated in a Thai traditional massage course being run by Prana Wellness Learning. We had a fantastic trainer by the name of Fiona who was very hands-on and very giving with all of the 4 people that we had in our course. So we had a very small class size, which was fantastic. We had a great 7 days on this course. We learned a lot. And after the 7 days we had our Thai traditional massage certification, which has been a great opportunity for our practice, with both our existing customers and new customers really enjoying the Thai traditional massage. I would highly recommend anybody in this profession to travel to Pattaya, Thailand and undertake this training course with Prana Wellness Learning. You will not regret it. And don't forget, professional development is tax deductible. Thank you.